Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to start with the new lesson, lesson number 11, Marathas, the protectors of the nation. After Bajirao won, his son Balaji Bajirao, alias Nana Sahib, was appointed the Peshwa by Sahu Maharaj. Situation in the north. The area to the northwest of Ayodhya at the foothills of Himalayas was called Rohilkhand. The Pathans who had migrated there were called Rohilas. These Rohilas had created havoc in the Doab region there. So the Nawab of Ayodhya sought help from the Marathas to subdue the Rohilas. Conflict with the Afghans. Ahmad Shah Abdali of Afghanistan marched on Punjab in 1751 CE. Mughals were weak at that time. So, in order to protect themselves, they sought help from the Marathas. They signed a treaty with the Marathas in April 1752, according to which the Marathas could protect the Mughals from enemies like the Rohilas, the Jat, and the Rajputs. In return, the Marathas would get cash money, the right to collect chauthai from areas under the Mughals, and Subedari of Ajmer and Agra provinces. Ahmad Shah ran back to his country when he came to know about Marathas' attack. The Mughal emperor gave more chauthai rights to the Mughal Subbas, which were under Abdali. Raghunath Rao, brother of the Peshwa Nana Sahib, undertook the campaign against Abdali towards north with other Sardars. But only a few local rulers supported the Marathas. Certain orthodox sects saw the Marathas as people of other region. Means religion, okay, other religion. They supported Abdali and wanted the Marathas to go back to the south. Okay. The Maratha standard on Attock. At the behest of Najib Khan, Ahmad Shah Abdali invaded Delhi for the fifth time. Raghunath Rao and Malhar Rao Holkar captured Delhi from Abdali. They pursued Abdali's soldiers to capture from Attock up to Peshawar. Dattaji's Vellore. Dattaji Shinde and Jankoji Shinde went to Punjab to crush Najib Khan. Najib Khan called Abdali for help. There was a fierce battle between Dattaji and Abdali. Dattaji died a heroic death in the battle. Sadashiv Rao Bhau. Nana Sahib sent his cousin Sadashiv Rao Bhau and eldest son Vishwas Rao to crush Abdali in the north. The Battle of Panipat. The armies of Marathas and Abdali confronted each other at Panipat on 14th January 1761. The Marathas were defeated by Abdali in the Third Battle of Panipat. Peshwa Madhav Rao. After the death of Peshwa Nana Saheb, his son Madhav Rao became the Peshwa. He kept Nizam and Hyder Ali in control and established supremacy of the Marathas in the north again. Peshwa Madhav Rao died in 1772 CE. He was an honest, hard-working and determined administrator who was keen on public welfare. The two Peshwas that succeeded Madhav Rao were Narayan Rao and Savai Madhav Rao, but they did not live long. The Maratha supremacy rises once again. The Marathas got a big blow at Panipat. Madhav Rao sent Mahatji, Shinde and other Sardars to re-establish the Maratha rule in the north. The Marathas restored the Emperor Shah Alam of Delhi under their own protection. The Marathas and Abdali's army suffered great losses. The Marathas fought bravely. Abdali and his descendants did not get enough courage to invade India again. They realized that only the Marathas had the strength and capacity to control the anarchy in the north. They expressed their wish that the Marathas should protect their empire. They sent a messenger to Pune to establish cordial relations. It is important to note that the Marathas overcome a great defeat at Panipat and successfully revived their supremacy in politics of the north. Malharao Holkar, Ahilya Bai Holkar and Mahatji Shinde had a lion's share in all this. Read the lesson at least 3 times. Okay, and complete the exercise. Thank you.